Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be driving from New Kingston to Crossroads. Now, New Kingston is the business area of Jamaica where you have all the corporate offices. Crossroads is a major transportation hub in Jamaica. So there are two very busy places. So we're going to take a tour from New Kingston to Crossroads. Okay, we are on Old Hope Road now, and we're going to go on to Trafalgar Road, then Knutsford Boulevard, then Oxford Road, and then Old Hope Road, and that will take us into Crossroads. Alright, so on the right is the Spick and Span dry cleaners. They've been there for a very long time. It's a very iconic building on the road. Okay, that very nice building on the right, where you have the gray and the green, that's the Cambridge Apartments, and that's going to be the largest apartment building in Jamaica when finished. They are selling 1-bedroom and studio apartments. From the outside they look very nice. Alright, we are on Trafalgar Road now, which is one of the main roads in the New Kingston area. So on the left you have the UCC group of companies, and UCC is the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean. Very nice university. They offer mostly business related courses, and they have facilities all over Jamaica, so it's easier for business people to work and go to school. Okay, on the right is Musgrave Avenue, and that's where you'll find the Cambridge. And then beside us on the right is the Guardian Group building, Guardian Life Center. Now on the left is Worthington Avenue, and that takes us on to Belmont Road. Now on the left is a supermarket. Now this is a very strange or peculiar place to put a supermarket, but at first you would think so, but with all the developments going on, with these large buildings being built, maybe the supermarket will get more popular. Alright, on the right now is the British Embassy, known as the British High Commission or the British Council. On the left is the Spanish Court Hotel, and we are now at this intersection up here. We're going to turn left onto Knutsford Boulevard and drive through down to Oxford Road. If we continued straight, we'd stay on Trafalgar Road and head towards Old Hope Road. And on the right, that building is the atrium, which is the head office for the NCB group. Okay, so now we're in the heart of New Kingston. We're on Knutsford Boulevard, where you'll find all these high-rise buildings, and these buildings are some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. On the right is the Pan-Caribbean building. Straight ahead on the left is the Sagicor Sigma building, which used to be the Citibank building. You find on the right is a Porsche dealership, on the left is a Starbucks. And you're going to find out almost every major food place in Jamaica: Pizza Hut, Island Grill, Burger King, Juicy Patties. A lot of restaurants on this road, because a lot of people work in this area, and so these food places do very well during the week. Straight ahead is a Total gas station, and then behind it is the KFC restaurant. Now, some subscribers were having a discussion about KFC, and KFC in Jamaica sells some chicken, like the barbecue chicken, that they don't sell any in the US or Canada. So that's why KFC in Jamaica does so well, or it's the #1 fast food chain in Jamaica, while in the US it's not #1. It's probably not even in the top 5. Okay, we're now on Knutsford Boulevard. On the right is the Bijou Jewelry Store. Straight ahead is what used to be the Wyndham, but it's now part of the Courtly Hotel. and beside it, that building is the actual Courtney Hotel now. That was the first building they had, but both the hotel is now going to take up both buildings, will be a part of the hotel. So on the right is Ligony Club. Now on the left is the Pegasus Hotel, which is the tallest building in Jamaica. On the right is Emancipation Park, which is the nicest park in Jamaica. Well maintained, very nice over there. Straight ahead is the Development Bank of Jamaica, and they were recently in the news because they're going to merge with the Exim Bank. Okay, we're now turning on to Oxford Road. Now, Oxford Road has a lot of commercial buildings and a lot of car dealerships. Okay, so on the right is the Hyundai dealership, and I think in Jamaica we pronounce Hyundai a very unique way. There's a very nice ad about it on TV, the way Jamaicans pronounce it. I only know it as Hyundai, but there is another pronunciation elsewhere. Okay, on the left is Belmont Road. On the right is the Audi dealership, followed by the Kia dealership. On the left is the Scotia Bank branch. And then on the left now is the NCB Towers. You have the North Tower and the South Tower. On the right is Mayberry Investments. And in this intersection now, if we were to go straight across the light, that's Tom Redcombe Road. Turn left, that's Old Hope Road. That takes us up to the Ligony area. But we're going to turn right and take Old Hope Road down to Crossroads. Okay, now on Old Hope Road at the top here, it's a lot of commercial buildings, also a lot more car dealerships. So on the right is a campus for the UCC University. On the left is Automotive Art. Okay, so on the left now, the right, sorry, you have the Volkswagen dealership, followed by the Jeeps and Subaru dealership, it's a location for KIG. Okay, so we're now driving into Crossroads. So on the left now is the St. Joseph's Teachers College, and then beside it on the left is the Nuttall Hospital. On the right is the Azan Superstore that used to be the Regal Theatre. And then that blue building used to be the tax office, but they moved across the road to this high-rise building here on the right. It says Crossroads Tax Office. Now on the right is the High-Low supermarket, and also that's the head office for the High-Low. High-Low operates, they are a part of the Grace Kennedy Group, and the High-Low is the name of the supermarkets. They have quite a few supermarkets across Jamaica. Alright, so this is now the Crossroads area, the heart of Crossroads. Now Crossroads got its name because this is where four main roads intersect. We are on Old Hope Road. To the left is Caledonia Avenue. To the right, that's Halfway Tree Road. And if we continue going straight, we go onto Slipe Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.